Okay guys, get ready to put the timing cover on. Unfortunately, I've got no way to hold the camera to show you how to do that, but there's a film of RTV. I used the black stuff by Permatex. I think it's called, yeah, Ultra Black. I've used it on other projects. It works really good. And also, after you've cleaned this off really well, use a little bit of it on there and then put your gasket on, and then you're ready to go to install your timing chain cover. More later. Okay, so there's the cover on. 84 Corvette, they're 7/16. And with that Permatex, you only want to finger tighten until, like, wait for about an hour after. Just finger tighten it snug and then torque it down about an hour later. And it's the torque spec is 75 inch-pounds. So we'll come back in an hour and we'll tighten that all up. But there it is, all buttoned up. And it looks good. And then once I get the balancer on, I got a nice chrome tab I'm going to put on there. So just want to make sure it's going to fit. So there it is. 84 Corvette timing chain cover in the car. Okay guys, so everything's on now. All the bolts are torqued down to 75 inch-pounds. Everything looks really good. So the next thing will be to get the oil pan on, get the oil in it, get the balancer on, and then let it run for a few minutes and make sure we don't have any leaks. And then after that, we shall proceed to the water pump. More later.